Question number 28. Charge is moving in a wire that is at a right angle to an uniform magnetic field. Okay. The length of the wire is 0.32 meters. L is given to you. The current in the wire is increased by 5 amperes. Current is increased by, note that this by over here is not 2. Okay. So therefore, if the current here in the first case is I, then the current in this case becomes I plus 5. Okay. This is the thing that we need to look into. If it is current is increased to, if I use this word as 2, then I can directly substitute I equal to 5. If it says increased by, that means you have to just add 5 amperes to the existing. The force acting on the wire increases by, once again, okay, which means initially the force, let us say initially the force here was F over here, this becomes a F plus 4 over here. Okay, let F be measured in terms of millinewton. Let us assume that. What is the strength of the magnetic field? Okay, we'll just return something in terms of the numbers, but we have to mathematically start this. So when the current was I, the force acting on the wire was given by IBL sin theta. But since it says right angle sin theta becomes sin 90 becomes 1, so I get IBL over here. What is the force? Is the value of force known to us? No, it's not known. Current known to us, the current is not known. Magnetic field known to us? No, it is not known. Length known to us? Length is given over. Just write it as IB into 0.3. This is known to us. Now, next time. Now, when the current was increased, the force on it will also increase, right? Which I'll write this as F dash. And it said that it is equal to F plus 4. F plus 4, which now be equal to, what was the current here? The new current is I dash B into 0.32. I'm not going to increase the length of the conductor. This I dash, what is I dash? I plus 5. I plus 5 multiplied by 0.32b. See, I multiplied this one, I got the answer. Now this is F plus 4. What's the value of F? The value of F we have already got is IB into 0.3. Substitute that also. IB into 0.32. What is that we require? We need to solve this. Now how do we solve it? Is a question. What I will do is I will expand this. I write this as I into 0.32 into B plus, I miss something over here. There is a 4 here, right? If you are not sure, see here. For the value of F, I have substituted this. Value of F is substituted. This plus 4 I missed. Now I have written. Okay. Plus 4 is equal to 1. I will write it here. I'll write it. It will be clear. Okay. So plus 5 into 0.32 into BO. Now you see you have IB into 0.32, IB into 0.32. This cancels. You are left out at 4 on the left hand side, and on the right hand side you have 5 into 0.32, 5 into 0.32 multiplied by B. I have. Get the value of B here. Value of B would now be 4 divided by 5 into 0.3. Just check whether we have missed anything. We have not missed anything. We would have missed something. Let us come back to it once again. Okay, so 4 divided by 5 is equal to so much, divided by 0.32 is equal to 2.5. 2.5. What is this 4 in? 4 is in, 4, what is this now? 4 is in millinewton. So this, I should have put this as 10 power minus 3 over here. So therefore, this should be millinewton over here. So this 10 power minus 3. So 10 power minus 3 here. It should be 2.5 millitesla. The answer is A.